What's up, guys? This is 410 Auto Tech. Got an unboxing of I won a giveaway off of Rust Belt Mechanics channel the other day, and I told him I'd make a video of me unboxing it, so we're gonna unbox it and shoot a little video of what I got. So let's get into it, guys. Let's see what we got, guys. I love free tools and I love gifts. So let's see what we got. What I got something to stick around my box. Look at that, all these 10mm sockets, man. That is awesome. If you want a part number, it's 60920. Duralast, I think you can pick them up from Advance. So I'll unbox it for you guys. Alright, so I was a prize winner of this gift 10mm hashtag 10mm giveaway. Duralast 10-piece 10mm socket. Comes in a 1/4 inch, 3/8, 6-point socket. Let's see. Came with a little rail. So now, hopefully I don't lose them, but now I have double the ammunition when I'm turning wrenches at home, here at work. Might take some of them home and take some of my other ones home, or swap them. So I'm thankful that I won this. So hopefully I'll be able to do a giveaway soon here for you guys that watch my channel. And alright, so this is my 10mm socket set I already have. It's not a set, but I mean, these are all the 10s I have. I got what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Here's all my 1/4 inch. You know, I have a Husky one because I've lost my other set, so I got a Husky 3/8, 3/8 impact, 2 Craftsman deep, snap-on 1/4 inch chrome, and snap-on 1/4 inch impact. I use the impact more than anything in this. Well, I use this the most, one of the most, this and like the deep, and I use the magnet 10 every once in a while. And then right here, as you can see, we got the Quinn from Harbor Freight deep 10, snap-on impact 3/8 deep 10, and the snap-on shallow 10, and then chrome 3/8 snap-on. These are all my 3/8 ones, and then if you add these on there, and then this is all my 1/4 inch stuff. 1/4 inch mixture between 1/4 inch and 3/8 sockets, all 10s, because you hashtag 10mm, you always lose them. That's why I have multiple of mine. I've lost them, had to replace them. Now I'm gonna put all these on my magnet tray and show you guys. That is one sweet setup I got. You know what? I'm gonna throw a little clip in here real quick of just something small that I'm gonna use one of these two sockets, going with a 3/8 and a 1/4 inch. I'll start off with like some semis and then switch them over to these 210 deep, well, these 210 magnets. So show you guys the benefit of using these. These are awesome. First, I'll do the 1/4 inch semi. And then there you go. I'm actually going to switch over to the magnet one, just so I'm going to show you how much of a clutch these are. Just taking that out. There you go. Get yourself a set of one of these magnets, 10s. Same thing with the 3/8. Boom, right there. Now don't shake it too hard, but it'll definitely come out. But when you're in tight areas where you try to reduce the risk of it falling out, it'll definitely help you out, guys. So check it out. This one was, like I said, Duralast brand. So I'll be putting it through the ringer and see how well they last. I'll keep you guys updated. All right, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video of the hashtag 10mm socket set that I won on a giveaway off of Rust Belt Mechanics page. This entire automotive community is awesome. There's tons of automotive channels. We all try to produce as much good content for you guys because we enjoy this. This is what we do. Other than, you know, turning wrenches, we like to help you guys out, and it's something we enjoy. So I will definitely be doing a giveaway soon for you guys. I just don't know what. Just drop a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know what you guys want to do. If you guys want to, I'll start off with something small and of course work my way up. You know, if I use it, I'll try to give away something like that. You know, that I use every day. So I know you guys will use it, but if you have any ideas, just let me know, man. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see those sockets in everyday use, and I will of course tell you guys if they hold up or not, and if you should buy them or not. It's an awesome set. I'm excited to use them. So this is going to be 410 Auto Tech out. See you guys next time.